Hey, this is the video. This is about 5 minutes later. All right, two ways of doing this. I am not wasting your time. I'm not gonna waste your time. You don't need a jack. You don't need to lift your car up. Okay, all you need is a marker like this, touch-up marker. It sticks pretty well. This is about 2 months now. Check that out. That's good, ain't it? What I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna take this little spring off and I'm gonna do this here, and then I'm gonna do the rest of it. All right, everybody, no intros on this video. We're gonna get right into it. Just kidding. Let's do the intro. So two ways of doing this. One, you can jack it up, take the tire off, and take a marker like this. You can get this at Walmart or AutoZone or O'Reilly's. There's two different kinds. There's the expensive kind for I believe like $20, and then there's this one for $10.99. They're pretty much the same. All right, basically you clean this area off and you try to reach in here and this cap off and kind of paint this area here, put 1 or 2 coats. Or you can do what I do, is don't be lazy and jack it up and take the tire off. This is what I'm gonna do. This is about 2 or 3 months right here. Look at it, pretty good. Now I want to get the rest of this. Okay, you can't really see that, but I want to get it just for fun, something to do. See that right there? I want to get the rest of it. Make sure, don't be sloppy, don't do a crappy job, okay? Because it looks like crap. You don't want to make your car look like crap. All right, you're already driving a beater. Your woman ain't gonna respect you. You know what I mean? Women don't respect dudes that drive beaters. I'm sorry. They might hang out with you for a little bit, but then they realize you ain't nothing. You're a loser, and they move on. Trust me, I know from experience, bro. All right, so here we are. This is the second coat I'm putting on. You don't have to do 2 coats. You can do a coat and then wait a week or 2 and do another coat. So far so good. And you know, this is for the looks, but you don't want to make it look like crap either, you know? As you can see, I'm not doing the side. I'm just doing the front, the face. As you can see, it looks pretty good. As you can see, I only did the face. I'm not doing where you can't see it, but you don't want to make it look like crap either. Okay, here we go, everybody. This is the final result here. Looks pretty good, doesn't it? I'll do a few more touch-ups. I'll look around and see what else it needs, and I'll do a touch-up or 2, but pretty much looks good over here. So I messed up right down there a little, but I'll fix it over the next few days. Tell me what you guys think.